Hello, welcome to New Error Fix. Have you faced this error? I will show you how to fix this. Search as OpenSSL will download. Then go to this second link. Download this exe file. Install it to your Windows PC. Let's check it work or not. It's not work because we have to add environmental variable path. Copy your OpenSSL path installation path. Then go to your environmental variables and paste it. Let's check it work or not. It's not work, so you need close terminal and open new terminal. I close this project and reopen and check it. Now you can see its work. Please subscribe and support us for future contents.